Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit for mobile in Wix Studio. Well, if you want to edit for mobile, Wix Studio, let's say you are working on a website and you need to design a mobile version for the website. You are designing the website and you also need a mobile version of it, the one that can support the screen size and the screen resolution of the mobile compared to the desktop, because desktop has the bigger screen, a bigger working space where you can build things in very big, in high resolution, big format. But talking about the mobile, you have to create the website in a way that it will be more engaging for viewers to see and to work on mobile. This is how you can do it. So make sure you are logged to your Wix account, not the login. Then you click on design. If you have a unfinished project you are working on, just your unfinished project will be somewhere around this angle. Or here you see, okay, here it is, activities field, no recent activities to show or continue setup. So it shows that right now I'm in activities I'm working on. So if you have an activities you're working on and you wish to continue from where you stop, you have an option where you can pick any of the websites you're working on, then continue from where you stop. So since I don't have any of them, just come here and click on design site, and this take me down to the editors mode or Wix Studio where I can design and edit my website. So once you click on it, you should have something like this right in front of your screen. Once you click on create a design, then you have a template, or you can have a option where you can pick your template for website. You can pick like something like this for a template, or you can start from the scratch, design your website that you want it to be. So we are both on the same page, but you definitely have something like this on your own page. So for you to switch to mobile version website, just click on this phone-like icon at the top corner. You can see this is the desktop version. You can edit your site for desktop, and right here you can edit your site for mobile. Just click on it, then it will switch the screen resolution size to the mobile. So right here you can see compared to the desktop screen size, you can see the difference is there. Right here you can configure the website, can add more layers, and these are the 5 icons. These are the 5 icons you can use. 5 tools icon that you can use to design a mobile website. You can see for mobile, just add mobile, click on it. Then you have options to add headings, text, title of your website, the headings. You have either the themes, then paragraph, then other than, then simply add image, add image button. You can add image button, then click on image, the image, then set image. You can also use the search bar right here to search for a particular. Let's say I'm designing a mobile website for a gym, for a fitness center, and I'm definitely going to need something from some image that has to do something like fitness. Just input fitness to this search bar, fitness, then click on search. You can see there. Also click on show more, then you have more option. I think this is okay. Just trying to increase the screen size. See right here. I see these are the materials for the gym. See, you can even use this again. Thing is a better option. And use this, then you can easily add the image to your mobile design. You can always use this as well. See. And also you want to add button. Like a more button. That is chat button. So this is you want to add button. Add a no button, or you want to add a download button, the chat now, or this button you have on your website. Location, maybe you want to add the fitness website you are working on. Want to try and tell client or viewers where it is located. This particular logo is just for that. Just click and drag this and add it to the website. You can drag it. See, add it like that. So right here you can edit it, then you add another text box somewhere around this angle, then you edit and this looks awesome. So you want this, and that is how to switch from desktop to mobile sites editors in Quick Studios. If you find this helpful, like and follow for more. Okay.